Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete search suggestions on Facebook app. First of all, open the Facebook application in your mobile. First of all, just open up the Facebook application in your mobile and the process will be same on both Google and iOS. Then tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Now scroll down, tap on this settings and privacy and here go for this privacy shortcuts. Now in privacy shortcuts, you have to scroll down and under this your Facebook information, tap on this access your information. Now at the top you can see search history, tap on this see more and here you will be able to see your search history. And to delete it all, what you need to do is tap on this clear searches. You can do, if you want to delete individual, you can tap on these three dots and tap on delete, and that's how you can delete individually. If you want to remove all the search suggestions, you have to tap on this clear searches and your all search suggestions or history will be deleted. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.